Now, Tesla is facing a legal challenge. The Elon Musk-owned electric car company is facing a lawsuit over H-1B visa hiring and American layoffs. The move has fueled an already heated debate over immigration regulations. The U.S. federal judge ruled that American EV maker Tesla has to face a lawsuit over alleged discriminatory hiring practices against American citizens. The plaintiff has accused Tesla of showing a systematic preference for lower-paid foreign workers on H-1B visas, the visas that allow skilled foreign professionals to work legally in the U.S. for a fixed period. Where H-1B hiring is largely associated with Indian and Chinese origin professionals, although the nationalities of those hired by Tesla were not confirmed. The lawsuit argued that Tesla's 2024 layoffs hit American citizens harder than foreign workers. Court papers stated that the company hired about 1,355 H-1B visa holders that year. At the same time, it laid off more than 6,000 employees in the United States, most of whom were American citizens. But in a brief order, the U.S. district judge questioned the plaintiff's evidence.
The plaintiff has presented scant evidence of discrimination. The statistics from 2024, for instance, merely show that Tesla hired a substantial number of H-1B holders that year, but not that it preferred them over U.S. citizens. All of this causes the court to be somewhat skeptical of Taub's allegations.
The judge dismissed similar claims brought by a second plaintiff. Following the legal scrutiny, Tesla has denied the allegations, calling them preposterous. Tesla owner Elon Musk, once an H-1B visa holder himself, has been a vocal supporter of the program. He argues it's vital for American innovation. In 2024, Musk backed the program in a social media post.
The reason I'm in America, along with so many critical people who built SpaceX, Tesla, and hundreds of other companies that made America strong, is because of H-1B. I will go to war on this issue, the likes of which you cannot possibly comprehend.
Well, Tesla is headquartered in Texas. The state has introduced strict new limitations on the H-1B visa program, especially targeting state-run institutions. Well, this adds another layer of complexity to Tesla's ongoing legal battle over its hiring practices. The ruling comes at a time when immigration-linked employment practices are under intense political and legal scrutiny. The H-1B program has long served as a pathway for thousands of highly skilled workers to secure well-paid American jobs. Indians top the list of H-1B visa holders in the U.S. Employers include tech giants and hospitals, among others. However, the Donald Trump administration has taken several steps to restrict the scheme. Last year, after Trump's return to office, major changes were made, including a proposed $100,000 visa fee for each applicant, which is currently being challenged by multiple lawsuits.
The country would rather not have to pay $100,000, but they'd rather, how do you do that? You hire Americans. So there's an incentive to hire American, but there may be instances where it's better off doing it through expertise or whatever it may be. But they're both unbelievable, whether it's a gold card or anything else that we talked about today.
Well, the Tesla lawsuit is no longer just about one company. It's part of a larger H-1B restriction. The outcome could reshape the future of highly skilled corporate hiring across the U.S.
The Narayan-Hiti Palace was lit for dinner. The royal family gathered. Laughter echoed through marble halls. But soon, it all changed. Gunshots rang out, one after another. A night that would shatter a kingdom. In hours, the royals were assassinated. Not in a war or a coup, but in a massacre inside the palace walls. Catch the full story on The Assassination, Saturday at these times.